constantly want to fix your nails and eyelashes. It's so funny to me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you guys how to fix false lashes. So if you have problems fixing false lashes, this video is going to tell you all the tips and tricks. It's very beginner friendly. Plus you're going to learn about the different tweezers and how they can help you doing your installation of false lashes, because you know, when I started makeup, lashes used to be my biggest problem. So, and when people fix lashes, it was like they went from 0 to like boom, you know, like you could just put like one shade of eyeshadow on your face, and once you just put that lash, trust me, you're already looking like Kim Kardashian. I'm over exaggerating. Anyways, not to waste your time, let's get straight to the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate every one of you. I want to say hello to my new subscribers. I see all of you. So let's get down to the video so you can learn how to fix eyelashes. So guys, for this tutorial I'm using May lashes. They're really soft, light, and beginner friendly. Also, I'm using classic lash glue, and I'm using this tweezer that I got from my friend. I'm also using another type of tweezer and mascara from Zaron, obviously, gel liner, a pointed tweezer. So to start off, I love to use mascara on my lashes. I'm not using so much to coat my lashes just to make it look really strong, but just to brush off the excess eyeshadow that fell on it and make it look darker. Right after that, I love to draw my liner. Like, it's very important. And I feel that it is like an avenue for me to know where exactly to drop my lashes. So it's really easy, especially if you're new to fixing lashes, to always draw a liner first so you know where to drop your lash exactly. So after that, you bring out the lashes and you use a tweezer to bring it out easily. I'm just doing serere here. Normally I just use my hand and I yank it out. So afterwards, I actually bend the lashes in a circular form. Then I apply my lash glue. I really like classic lash glue because it's transparent, and after a while you don't see the color there anymore. It's just like it's your real lashes, but it's artificial, you get. So I wait for my lash to dry from the glue, and I don't blow it with my mouth because I'm not a dog. I blow it with my hand, right? So yeah, I wait for about 5 minutes and then I fix. So I usually like to hold the tweezer, and then I see that there's a longer part and a shorter part. I know the shorter part goes to the inner corners of my eyes and the shorter part goes to the outer corners of my eyes. I drop it in the middle of my eyelid. Then I use my hand to just arrange it a bit so that it's not on the liner but it's on my lash, you get. So ta-da! It's that easy because the lash itself is very flexible. So I'm just using this really sharp tweezer to prick the lashes so that they stay and then they don't start poking me later in the day. This is really important, because sometimes you see some people, they come out and you see the beginning of their lashes coming off, or the edge, but then the middle is intact. So you really need to push it and lift it up so it really glues to your lash and it stays, because this classic lash glue is really nice and it's very sticky, especially when you allow it dry well. So I'm just doing that all throughout this video. I'm wasting your time. So right after that, you see the difference. You see how my eyes are with lash and without lash. So this is a different method that I usually like. I don't use my tweezers or anything, and for me this is like the best option because my hand is like my tool. I can use it to actually control the lash. When it's going above where it's supposed to be, I can actually just drag it down, you get. So I really like using my hand. So I take it from the tip and I start pressing all the way to the front. And it's really nice that I'm doing this with this lash because this lash is very flexible. So you can see it's actually the same thing. You will know the difference between the one I used tweezers for and the one I didn't use tweezers for. So yeah, that's the end of my tutorial. So what I usually do is that I can style my lashes with a mascara into any style I want them to be. So if I want it to be really dramatic, I just use a mascara, and look at it. So see the difference between the one with mascara and the one without mascara. So Thanks for watching. Bye. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I know today's video is really short, and I know some of you are crying that I'm going, but me if I have to go, you know. I'm so annoyed. So I hope you guys learned how to fix false lashes. I hope it was beginner friendly, because that's my intention of making this video, so people can actually learn how to fix lashes. The lashes I'm wearing are male lashes, and they're in Ewa. They're really light, and you can actually use your mascara to style them into any style you want them to, and they're really cheap. So you should check her out on Instagram. I'm going to drop her handle in the description box below. All makeup products can be shopped at The Glow Beauty on Instagram. So let me not waste your time. Till next time, stay fabulous, ladies. Bye. Juice, I see you, juice. Keep me rolling, juice.